The Khon Hinyautrap National Awakening Movement on Tuesday impressed upon the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council not to allow the Garos to hold the post of the Rangbah Shnong on the right Marwet of Himamalim. Talking to reporters after meeting KHADC Deputy CEM Penchngany and CEM, Khnam Working President Thomas Pasa said that the provisions under the Khasi Hills Autonomous District appointment and succession of CEM, Deputy CEM, electors and Rangbah Shnong of Milliam CEMship Act 2007 that only the Khasi can hold the position of the Rangbah Shnong. He also urged upon the KHADC to take legal action against self-styled Garo Rangbah Shnong on the border villages on the right Marwet of Himamalim.
Kayong kuli kamoyong kambal bari pada ki Jerman jol CM ki rangsong kona ki Cibara ki nong spung A ki nong spung C ni borok ki Rangbah Shnong ki dei di kejat Garo. Kani kalong baik pet la penkeng ya ka appointment and succession of CM, Deputy CM, elector of Rangbah Shnong of Milliam CEMship Act Arjan Nyo. Katkum kani ka Arjan Nyo, hak section ka ba subsection O la tho sai kedar tang u khasi ula benong Rangbah Shnong. Kani di ka om don chu balawan perkelai kani. Nilai jing mo di ba ben sem ba in le ai mardor kani. Ban sim da legal action. Yakini ki breu ki ba kam yela di kum kita ki Rangbah Shnong. Katkum ka jing ai bor jong ka an jong ki Himamalim jong u Arjan Nyo.